Okay guys, let's show you what's going on today. So here is the box from the Mercury, the 4-door crew cab Mercury, one of 6 only, Canadian made. This is taking a lot of time. Brad, if you're out there watching, I thought this box is crazy hours, buddy. So what we're doing is it was really beat the shit in there. We obviously, Mike had got in here, cut all the rust out, fixed all the rust. She's solid. Got it blasted top to bottom, really good. We're making the box just presentable inside. We're not getting in here and blocking it by hand or making it absolutely poker straight. Like, it's not going to be like that. It's just going to be presentable, nice and clean. But a lot of time, because inside, when you do the inside of a box bodywork, if you look at this, all the grooves you see, all that, a lot of it you're doing by hand, and it just adds up. So anyway, the inside is almost done. Started on the outside. Nothing like starting with a nice fresh box that's been blasted like that. That's the answer. Get all the shit off it, right? So Sean is working away. He's working his magic. The little VW, the chop VW, I think I already showed you in a past video. There's a deck lid there. The fenders are about to go into primer, which is very nice. One is in primer. So we're getting that all done. There's the hood. That's all done in primer. Now we're not going to get carried away on this box, back to the box. It's got some dents along the front here. When the box is on the truck, you can see by the way this is out like this. This box kind of wraps into the cab corner. We'll do the bodywork down in here to make it look nice, but we're not going to do really anything along here. It's going to have some dents, going to have a few marks. Unless Brad says to do something, there's really honestly no point, because who would ever see that unless they removed the box? You just wouldn't. He's building a nice clean truck. I will confirm with him. He doesn't want us to straighten anything out there. It's not that bad, honestly. Most of the dents were on the inside, which we took care of. We hammered and heated a lot of them out. So this panel actually is really nice. It's just there's the odd little one here and there. Like you can see there's a little bit going on there and there where we were heating. But it's just why we do bother. Remember, we're here to build cars for people that are on it. Well, there's no budget anymore doing this stuff, but we're here to help people out build cars. Hopefully they can afford. We're not building $250,000 cars, but we're also not building $20,000 or $30,000 cars anymore. You know, our builds are they're 40 to 80. That's what they're at, right? So that's where we're going. But anyway, so that is what's going on there. Come out here. Mustang is sitting here waiting. All right. And the Camaro. So the Camaro, the owner's got to stop for a little while. Sometimes, you know, everything gets in situations, but he did get, like, all the welding is done on the body. I got in there, seam sealed all. You'll see it in the next video, but not in this one. I don't know if you can tell. You can see in there we epoxy primered it, then we texture sprayed it. Exactly what he wanted. And now I'm getting ready to throw some epoxy primer on here. I got it seam sealed, and then we're going to texture spray this underneath. Then the Camaro is going home. She's going home. But he's got a good solid shell with no welding needed anywhere. So that is another good thing. But here's the best thing. The 53 Chevy panel. The LS conversion swap. We put this LS in here, 6 liter. We had our guy come out and tune it. He's got it tuned so it'll get even better gas mileage than it did factory, and he's got it set for 375 to 400 horse. Look how beautiful that looks. Absolutely gorgeous. This was from my brother from another mother. And, well, he kept complaining it took him years and years to get it, so here we go. He's going to take it home next week, the week before Christmas. I don't know if he will take it home, to be honest, because the snow is coming, and there's no way this thing's going to go in the snow. It just hasn't got the right tires on. It's got a posi, but let's listen to it. Now, I want you guys to keep in mind, he wants everything quiet. I hate quiet. You got to have a little bit of a rumble, but he wanted quiet. He got quiet. Okay, here we go. And you got all these fancy gauges that Chris put in. Let's take a look here. Where are we going here? Where's the key? Here we go. Oh, maybe I don't. Look how that starts. And that's ice cold. Yeah. These air cleaners make a lot of noise though. I don't know about that sound. And the intake, when you start changing intakes, they got like that, almost that whiny sound. But look at how that runs. This was a good engine that we got out of the auto wreckers. I think if I believe correctly, I could be wrong. I can't remember now. No smoke, no nothing. I believe it had 145,000 kilometers, which is nothing. This is where he wanted to put the tailpipes, went out the back. But is that quiet or what? That's just so quiet. Take a look here. I forget the gauges all light up blue. Yeah, there we go. See, it's all blue. You got your fuel down in there. Volts over there. She's charging good. Oil pressure sitting at, what is she sitting at? Oil pressure sitting, looks like around 40 pounds or more. Beautiful. Let's shut this off because I don't want to choke myself out in the garage. Oh, but there we go. So we got it running. We got the exhaust on it. We went and got an alignment on it because we put all new springs in it and shocks. And now he's decided, let's go through the differential. So I do not rebuild differentials. I do not go through them. I can put them in and out of your car, but I just don't do it. Not my specialty. I've played with a few, but I'm not the guy. So I'm going to take it down to my good friend Rod. He is the guy. He knows all about it. So this will be going down either tomorrow or Monday. And we'll take it down to Rod and he's going to have it. And he's going to go through the whole diff and see what's going on. But that's it. One LS conversion out of Old Time Garage. Done and finished. So, I know what Rich is saying right now. If he's watching this video, he's going to say, it only took 6 years. Even though really he only booked it in with me like a year ago. Anyway, that's how he is. Hey, so thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember, it's always good time and old time. And Sunday Fun Day is on the way.